Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix you have files waiting to be burned to disk error in Windows 11, 10. Right-click Start button, click Run, type shell command cd burning. Simply delete all files and folders. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.